If you're an international company looking to build in Mexico, choosing the right general contractor for your project is essential. Hermosillo is the country's leading design-build construction company with more than 55 years of experience, nationwide coverage, financial capability, and a robust portfolio of successful international projects. Hermosillo is your #1 choice. Our excellence reflects on the fact that 74% of our clients build with us again. We advise you every step of the way, from site selection to providing value engineering during the design phase and adjusting your project to meet Mexico's cultural environment. We're in the business of understanding your business so we can optimize the functionality of your building to meet your highly specialized production needs. Leading companies in manufacturing, food and beverage, automotive, healthcare, aerospace, consumer goods, and more have depended on Hermosillo for facilities that elevate their productivity and enhance their bottom line. Our lean construction culture is based on keeping a close eye to the way things are done and find a systematic path to do it better. With BIM, Virtual Design Construction, as our main management methodology, you will have a crystal clear vision of every single adjustment made on your project. Using state-of-the-art technology, modern systems, and the expertise of our dedicated team, we're able to navigate through our customers' needs and bring each client's vision to life. Our core values, quality, honesty, and integrity are the foundation of our projects and of the enduring relationships we've built with our clients, partners, and suppliers. Hermosillo. Experience matters.